weeks I have been looking up how to create content for YouTube and how to go about making a career out of it. Nowadays, a lot of people make careers out of YouTube and they have channels where they earn an income based on their content and views and all of that put together so that they can do YouTube as their actual career. The biggest thing between people who make regular videos and people who make videos for YouTube to create careers is that there is a lot of editing and a lot of things that go into it that you wouldn't even think about if you didn't look it up. Through researching a lot of people on YouTube that are in the community that I would like to go into, which is like the beauty career, a lot of people my age who are into fashion and beauty, I have discovered a lot of tips into how to create content that can lead you to a career on YouTube. Of course, a lot of people think that cameras are the biggest part to recording. You need a camera, you might need a microphone, you might need a certain type of camera depending on your location, but in reality you can create great content out of any video you film through any camera. Right now filming this video, I even know that you can see my shadow, the lighting's not the best, the background could be better, and the fact that I understand the concepts of these things shows that I have learned what I should have out of this content. A really big thing I found out was that YouTubers cut a lot of things out of their videos. You've probably seen already a bunch of cuts that I have made in this video of me saying things I want to take out or me taking things out I just didn't like. People cut things out like pause time when they say words like I'm not sure, if they talk to someone on the side, if they're talking but looking to the side. So they cut a bunch of those things out. Making sure that the content they're putting in front of their viewers is 100% what they want the viewers to see is very important. Another really important thing I found out was the introduction to your videos. Supposedly viewers are drawn in by the first 30 seconds of your video, and if you don't catch their attention and make them want to see more within those 30 seconds, the odds are they're going to click out and you are not going to obtain those views. You need to have something catchy and interesting and get to your point right away. Dragging on about something is not going to get you there, and you're going to lose those people that might have stuck around if you got to your point quicker. Another importance is background music, because yes, I'm talking to you, but it could be a little awkward when it's just my voice and nothing else. Sometimes having music in the background that does not have lyrics can be very nice for the video and just improving the ambiance. Another really important thing is lighting. Like I mentioned before, you can see my shadow and the lighting is not the best. The point is that I understand this, and I understand that to make a career out of it, it's going to be something I need to consider when making content. For instance, if you don't have the big lights that a lot of YouTubers use that create the lighting for them, you can also sit in front of a window on a sunny day with just any camera, and that'll create some really nice lighting for you, as long as your background is also nice, which is another important thing. Having a background that is aesthetically pleasing to the video is going to help you create that like bond with your subscribers. Subscribers are clicking on your videos because they can relate to them in some sort of way, and your background should also be part of you. You only take up so much of the screen. Right behind me you can see all this white, which is an okay background, but if I was making a video about makeup, I might want some makeup products on a desk behind me with it's very clean, it's very neat, and just very precise. Another important thing about making YouTube a career is consistency. YouTubers talk about that you aren't going to gain subscribers at first in like the first 20 seconds you upload your first video. It's going to take time. You need to upload consistently. You need to have a schedule, even if it's just you say you upload weekly, or if you're going to upload on Mondays, or if you're going to upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. Whatever it is, you need to market that to your subscribers and viewers so that they understand that you're consistent and when you're going to be uploading, when they should be checking YouTube to see your videos, and it'll just make you look more official to the people watching your videos. Talking loud enough is also a very important part of this. I probably haven't talked loud enough for this video for some of it, but I am trying my best. I am still learning the fact that I just understand that that's an important concept when it comes to making YouTube as a career is a big step. If you talk quietly when you edit your videos, you're not going to seem like out there and exciting to your viewers. Of course, you want to be very real with your subscribers. You want to be yourself. You want to be you, but you also want to make sure that you're putting the biggest you out there you can. You want to make sure they get who you are and that you are different from everyone else in a certain way by being who you are. Other than the whole editing aspect of YouTube, there's also things that go into it, such as how you project yourself to your audience. Before your audience can view your video, they need to click on your video, and to click on their video, you need to draw people into it. The way to do this is to create thumbnails. Thumbnails are the picture you see that advertise my video before you click on it. You can edit these in any shape or way or form on your computer, on your phone. There's all different apps you can do to add stickers, fonts, titles, edits. Making sure that your thumbnail looks attractive to people searching this type of content is going to pull in those people and let you get more views, which is going to help your subscriber count and your view count. Along with that goes the title. If you have a really big, poppy, exciting title for your video, the odds are someone's going to click on it rather than if it was just a plain title. For instance, if I was making a video of my dog at the dog park and my dog did something interesting, I might make the title Fluffy doing crazy tricks at the dog park rather than just went to the dog park with my dog. There's a difference between having a exciting, popping title compared to, I would like to call an oatmeal title. So the advertisement to the people that want to watch your videos, and then how you project yourself in those videos once you do have the viewers, is all very important to making YouTube. The whole part of the career though where you can make an income is a little more in depth. When you make YouTube videos, you do not earn money right away. You earn money after you have a certain amount of viewers and a certain amount of subscribers. You can advertise your channel as much as you want to people. You can tell them to like, subscribe, and give your video a thumbs up all you want, but it really matters of when they click on your video and they click subscribe to your channel. Through the YouTube terms and services, you can start earning an income once you have over 10,000 subscribers and you also have 100,000 view minutes over the past year. Making sure you're consistent with your uploads, your views, and your subscriber count shows YouTube that you are eligible to be considered to earn an income through their site. Even though you can make a career out of YouTube and you will get paid for your content, that is not the biggest way to make content on YouTube. YouTubers actually make a lot of their income through sponsors. Sponsors can be people from putting ads in your video to having you show their product to your viewers, to you just using their product. It's basically advertising for them, and by doing that, they will earn an income from it and you will earn the income from them. Every sponsor pays you differently, and you can't just get a sponsor. They have to offer it to you, they have to find you, they have to find you interesting. So that goes back to how you project yourself in your thumbnails and title, and then how you project yourself in your video itself. Making sponsors out there also want to invest in you and say, I find her interesting, let's give her something to advertise to other people who find her interesting. Another big part of YouTube is making sure that you have interesting content and outros. If your content in the video is something that's not interesting, no matter how well you project yourself for your thumbnail and your title, people don't want to watch your video. You want to make sure that you're up to date with what people want to view. You interact with your subscribers, even if that's through social media such as Instagram and Twitter or Snapchat. Having the connection and database with your subscribers makes you feel more like their friend rather than someone they just know from online. Being able to connect and relate to them makes them have this bond with you that makes them want to subscribe to you longer, watch more of your videos, maybe talk to you about other people, and altogether gain you more success in your overall YouTube career. Your outros, you want to make sure that they're short and precise and to the point. The biggest part of YouTube videos that people don't watch are the outros because they've seen all the content they wanted to, and the outro is just saying goodbye. The outro is where you can tell your subscribers, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, click the bell for notifications, tell your friends, your family, share my link, anything you want to do. Anything like that is you're going to be putting it into your outro. If it's quick and precise, the odds are people are going to watch it. If it drags on, people are going to click out of your video and not finish it. Making sure you have tags on your video is also important. Tags can be singular or plural word tags. If you made a video about your dog at the dog park, you could tag it dogs, dog, dog park, puppies, play, outside, dog at the dog park, bringing my dog to the dog park, day as a dog. Tags like that are going to help you get the viewers that want to see your video. What that does is when you have someone search up one of those key sentences or words, your video is going to pop up, not necessarily first, but it is going to pop up somewhere down the line. This way people that are looking for that type of video are given the opportunity to see and click on your video, which can gain you the views, gain you your fan base that relates to your given field of interest. The way that I figured out all this information was I went through Twitter, I went through Instagram, Snapchat, social media of every sort, and went through YouTubers' accounts. Seeing how they talked about YouTube, watching their YouTube videos on how to improve your YouTube, how to create a YouTube channel, really helps inspire you to understand and just go for it. If you want to make a YouTube channel, you definitely should. It might not take off how you want it to, but it is always worth a shot. Before understanding all of this, I only knew that you can take a camera and talk in front of it, and that you can upload it. I didn't know about any editing sites, and of course a lot of big YouTubers use things such as Final Cut Pro on the computer, which it actually costs money, but there are many options that don't. I used iMovie to create this video, and it is very helpful, simple, and free. It's a great app to use if you're just starting on YouTube like me, where you want to create great content, but you're also not willing to pay the money yet since you aren't invested into YouTube as in-depth as some people are. Being that I want to look into something that is on social media and the internet, when in this time of age the internet is such a big deal, it was very easy for me to find my information, very easy for me to find YouTube videos about YouTube since it's one big unit. Getting the information from people that inspire me for things like this on YouTube really helped me understand where I can go and what I can do with what I have and don't have, or what I could obtain. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye.